Now joining us, Head of Research at William O'Neill. Mayuresh, last few minutes of trade. The entire Gujarat public sector re-rating that we are seeing, very strong 10 to 20% gains. Prakash Diwan was with us earlier. He said, well, GSFC is a name he would back even without this news flow. Have you given this a look? Are we going to see a sustained re-rating in any of these names?
Afternoon, Prashant. Seems to be the case because I think the kind of capital allocation policies that have got adopted, that clearly implies better return to shareholders, both from an EPS and an ROE perspective. Having said that, I think looking at the permutation combination, both in terms of the available cash on books, the net worth criteria, the dividend yield payouts, and the buyback elements involved, I would tend to agree. I think GSFC and to a certain extent GMDC probably seem to be ideal candidates. Where I think the fundamentals are also probably shifting for the better. Take in case GMDC, Prashant, the expectation in terms of not just the lignite production, the rare earth minerals, if they're able to successfully evacuate and probably process the same in the next few quarters and years, that can be a huge revenue potential for the company itself, and potential cash flows can improve quite significantly over the next few years. So I think with improving cash flows, obviously I think the dividend yield payouts and the earnings will also imply an increased growth. For GSFC, obviously I think the expectations in terms of not just the core elements on its balance sheet itself, but the product mix itself should be useful as well. So yeah, I think to a certain extent, these two stocks and momentum can very well continue.